Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to do a little gear overview and a bike walk around. So here we got my helmet. Made this little stand out of some pipe, some elbows, put a little shelf on there, if we get that out of the way. It's this is a 6-port USB little charging hub that I can charge my 2 GoPro 7 batteries and 2 of my GoPro 4 batteries, as well as the Sena on the side of my helmet. My camera mount on the helmet is this Artman little mount that has the door for putting the microphone adapter, as well as a holder under here for the microphone adapter. Up here for the helmet, just another pipe, a little piece of wood attached to a flange. So that's the helmet, and for the microphone I'm using a Purple Panda, if anyone was interested. Alright, let's go look at the rest of my gear. Now here's some other stuff. This is my gloves, just some Joe Rocket shorty gloves. Got the reinforced knuckles and the slider on the palm. My jacket, which I'm sure you guys have seen me wearing, is from Skull Riders. It's their road armor jacket. It's Kevlar lined, has CE level 1 armor in the back, shoulders, and well, that's the elbow. So shoulders and in the elbow, and does have some zippers here and snaps to open up the cuffs a little bit. You zip it up and then snap it closed. Jeans are Climb K52s with D30 armor in the hips and in the knees, and in the tailbone it's just a pad, but they're Kevlar lined as well and actually really comfortable. The jacket, even though it is flannel, actually flows quite a bit of air, and when you're driving or riding, it keeps you pretty cool. It's big enough that I can put a wear a sweatshirt underneath for the cooler months, but once it gets much colder than, say, in the 50s, I'll be switching over to the cold weather jacket, which I'll do a review of that later, because I plan on riding as long as there's no salt on the roads from any snowstorms. Last year got lucky, there really was no snowstorms. So let's get to the bike walk around. All right, guys. Do the bike walk around and little gear as well. Hopefully this isn't too shaky, because I just still have the camera mounted to my helmet. So here it is, 2018 Indian Scout. You can see we got LED headlamp there. No ABS on this particular one. I bought it used, like I said, I think in one of my first videos. It came with the floorboards and the highway bars. Also a detachable windshield, which I have off. I really just don't like the looks of the windshield. Indian factory saddlebags. The seat is the only mod I've done so far. I put a Mustang seat on it, and still on a long trip that doesn't cut it. So I got one of these little deals that you fill with air, and that seems to have helped immensely. It does still have passenger pegs on here because it did come with a 2-up seat, which I took off and put the single seat on here. I never ride with anyone, as far as passengers anyway. But that is it. That is the bike. For other things that I have on here, I've got these bar mounts for the GoPro. They turn. They'll go 360, but they lock into a position. You turn it about 20 degrees, and then it locks into another position. Phone mount is a quad lock, and that just goes on the back of the phone, and then it's mounted to the bars. And we're locked into place. I got another one of these GoPro mounts down here on the highway bar, which sometimes I'll use and get a shot of the front wheel rolling. Not always. What else? Really, there's not much else to tell you about the bike. I have my phone charger cable ran down here under the seat. Then like I showed in the Hawk's Nest video, I have the adapter for the battery tender to USB. Well, that's about it. Definitely she needs a bath, that is for sure. And we are gonna head home. That is my bike walk around and gear overview. If you guys have any questions, you can leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Otherwise, everybody be safe and have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.